I need a L, I ain't trippin', I get to it when I get to it. This that weed blowing, lean pouring, real gangsta music. He know I'm familiar with the brick, but how my wrist moving. Threw him in that water, I'm from Florida.
I think it turned out really well, honestly. What's up, gang? This is f***ed up. I'm sitting in the back seat and we're gonna go pick up my motor, but I'm in the back seat. Comment if you think that's f***ed up.
I don't think that's f***ed up. I think that's fun. Firstly, I got here first, so I deserve it. That's it. That's it.
What's up, Hunter? What's up, bro? What up, what up? What's up, Carter?
What's going on?
Thanks for driving, bro.
Absolutely.
So today we're picking up a brand new motor, because if you guys didn't see last video,
Crow in the road, guys.
There was a crow in the road, okay. I cracked my block, so we get to get a new one now, but this is an excuse to get the God K20. But yeah, this is gonna be a fun little 2-hour ride with all the boys. You already know it's gonna be a lot of tomfoolery, so we'll get to it.
You go from feet from You go from feet from You go from feet from You go from feet from
Ruining the clip again, bro. 5 minutes out, 5 minutes out, and then K20 might be mine. We'll see. We gotta take a look at it and make sure it's chill. All right, motor's been picked up. Huge shout out to Miguel for the hookup. I'm pretty stoked on the motor. We gotta clean it up a little bit. Needs a little bit of love, but hopefully not too long we'll be able to drop it in the RSX. So pretty stoked for that. Also huge thank you to the boys. Thank you, boys, for pulling up and
on me.
helping out. Yeah, the A2 did take a little dump on Hunter's arm there, but now we get to celebrate that I just picked up a cool motor that won't blow up under 8 pounds of boost. So we're gonna go to Wawa and wash up, and then we might be hitting the mall and seeing what type of shenanigans we get into. So stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Oh shit, okay.
That's very close to the roof.
All right, we just stopped at the mall to get some food, walk around a little bit, but I gotta show you guys the K20A2. I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate for this, but you know what? It is what it is. Yeah, probably not the best way to store the motor, but here it is in all her fine glory. And she definitely needs to be cleaned up a little bit. And yeah, I gotta replace a few things, but it looks sick and it's gonna perform sick. We're gonna take our time and make sure everything's dialed in just like it should be. Yeah, cool stuff, huh? Cool stuff.
Cool stuff.
Sheesh.
Hey, like this 2 minutes.
Shake shot, good call, bro. How's the shake, bro? Hell yeah.
Okay, everybody. Hello, KyleHamlet YouTube channel. I'm Carter. This is Hunter.
What's up?
We would like to talk about how KyleHamlet is a horrible person. Hello. Ladies, do not hit me up. I'm cuffed. Ladies, hit this boy up.
Dude, I look like a freaking mongrel.
Buddy Dylan over here has to take a piss like a racehorse, and Hunter is playing a lot of. Bro. Fuck you, bro.
Let me out.
All right, now just start
Let me out.
Just go in the woods. Yo, just go in the woods,
I'm
bro.
right here, bro.
That's fine.
How you feeling, bro?
I feel so much better, bro. You have no idea. I feel so much better.
Slow-mo. I say, baby, slow it down for me. 808s, heartbreaks, check the sound for me. Whoa. If that's your baby, then why she down for me? And why she pulling up her top inside the crowd for me? Whoa.
What up? KyleHamlet YouTube channel.
I guess we'll have to wheel it around the left side of the Cobra. What's up, gang? K20 has made it home, so we gotta unload this thing. Thankfully, it's a 4-cylinder, it's not too heavy, so us two strong men, we got the job done.
Okay.
Yeah, you can sit back in the truck, buddy.
No, hey, no, bro.
We need his help.
No.
Cool, bro. Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, I probably shouldn't be sitting like that, but you guys didn't say anything. It's my very own K20A2. Oh shit, okay, hold on. Oh dude, light work. Light as hell.
Oh, yeah, we're chilling.
We're chilling. Well, boys and girls, there we go. K20A2. Probably take my own dipstick to figure out what the hell is wrong with this. Apparently the K20A2 uses 5W30.
You don't deserve to be in that muscle car.
That V8. I could whip this V8 better than you could, Sonny boy.
Say he's fucking wrong.
Damn! Pretty stoked. That's true VTEC right there. That's true VTEC at 8,500 RPMs of pure happiness. We've got the K20A2 sitting in the back here behind the RSX. Thing looks beautiful. Could look better. It will look better. But we're just gonna drop it off here for tonight. We'll get back to work on it probably a little bit later next week. But yeah, super stoked on the pickup. It was a fun trip. I think the boys had fun. Did the boys have fun?
Yes.
All right, we'll disregard Hunter's reply, but yes, the boys had fun on the trip. We're gonna start working on this puppy. It's the next thing you guys are about to see. We're heading out here, and we'll catch back up with that later soon. Day 2 of owning the Honda K20A2, which by the way, look, it says it right there on the block, K20A2. Let's do a quick unboxing of what we got. Got some silver engine enamel. This will be freshening up the block so it looks nicer. We have some Rust-Oleum rust dissolver, which will get rid of any surface rust and hopefully a lot of the corrosion debris that we have going on the outside. We have some Marvel Mystery Oil. This is gonna go on the inside of my car to get rid of any, there's a little bit of surface rust we saw on the boroscope yesterday. So this will hopefully clear that up. Carter, is this gonna get rid of carbon buildup as well? It's gonna get rid of carbon buildup as well, so that'll be nice. Of course, we can't do any of this without putting it on an engine stand, so we have ourselves 4 M12 by 1.25 millimeter bolts at 90 millimeter length, and some washers. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get it on the stand, start cleaning it up, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. Bang! Let's go, engine stand.
That was the easy part.
That was the easy part.
Going down here.
It's going alright. Just threading these bolts in here.
It's done. Look at that. Wow. Not sketchy at all. Some good stuff right there.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how sketchy is this?
I would say like a 1.5. 2. So we're gonna get this motor all cleaned up, looking nice. Fresh hardware, fresh paint. You won't even be able to tell it's a used motor. That's the goal. Tight enough. Tight is tight. Don't forget, guys, when you're torquing down your wheels, tight is tight. I'm just kidding. Torque them down properly. All right, boys, let's get this.
Hold on. Sorry, my soft little sissy hands need gloves.
1,
2, 1.
Easy. Easy peasy.
What's up? Nice. Oh, I know you guys just saw my back the whole time, but she's on the engine stand. Hell yeah, boys.
Hell yeah.
I don't know if it did or not, but assuming it didn't leak to begin with.
What's that?
Yeah, what was that?
What is this? I didn't think it would be that loud. I'm so sorry, guys.
My bad, I didn't mean to scare the shit out of everyone.
Nah, you're good.
Like and subscribe.
All right, steering the boat. Yo, let's go. Yo, we're good. Oh, it's easy sailing from here. There we go, boys. The Honda motor is finally on the stand, and we'll be able to clean this thing up real nice. Sheesh. You guys see this? This is a nice looking Honda valve gasket. I'm sure I could reuse this, but I'm not. Wow.
Come on, Carter.
Yeah, come on, Carter, let's go.
I'm small. I'm tiny. I'm 4'11".
He is 4'11". He's not lying.
If you guys have Hondas, you guys have K-Series, just use the Honda OEM ones. Trust me, it's worth it. They're just a lot better. This is also garbage.
We should cut that in half.
All right.
Case. Yeah. Sure. Just like everything in the motor looks good, but
Yeah, no, this is...
couldn't hurt. I can hold my breath for a while. I'll just have you know that. What's up?
Are we trying this way or this way?
I don't know. I've never cut one apart, but
All right, boys. Oh, fuck. It's not going very well. I need to stop being a little bitch. There we go. Holy fuck. I'm too strong. Oh, wait, watch. This is genius. This is genius. We're going to rest it on that. Wow. Okay, I think it has enough. Okay. I'm not really learning very much from this, I'm not gonna lie. Well, thanks for watching us waste time, guys. You know where we're gonna put this? All right. Give her hell, Carter. Wow, it's like a little piss stream. I wasn't honestly expecting that. I thought it was gonna be a little more like Windex, cool. You know?
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it smells terrible.
Stuff's good for you.
Is it?
No.
Alrighty, so we got it kind of cleaner. This Rust-Oleum stuff actually works really well. I'm probably gonna wrap it up here for the day. Just wanted to update you guys on how the block is looking. And yeah, we'll get back to working on this thing right now. Alrighty, we're on our way to Walmart. We're gonna pick up some brake clean, shop towels, and masking tape. We're gonna try to get the motor all cleaned up and painted today. Yeah, just trying to get the motor prepped and ready to go. That way we can get started on pulling the motor and trans from the car that's currently sitting in the garage right now. Got the essentials, we got everything we need. 20 bucks at Walmart. 2 bottles of brake clean, masking tape, and 2 rolls of shop towels. This will be more than plenty to get the job done. So we're gonna go and head on back to the shop, take all the accessories off, clean it up, and get cracking. Catch you guys in just a minute. Alrighty, we made it to the shop. Dylan and I put in a little bit of work here. As you can see, we have some gloves on the oil, the oil filter. Yes, the oil filter is now masked off. We have some shop towels in the intake and exhaust ports, and we have a glove over the crank pulley. We're gonna go ahead and just clean the hell out of this thing, get it all prepped up. We're gonna tape it off after that and paint it. So let's get to cleaning. So there's no audio on this video. I guess my microphone got unplugged, but this is kind of generally what I said. Take a look at this. Motor looks awesome. We're gonna leave the valve cover on to paint it because I'm probably gonna repaint this. I'm gonna strip all the paint and all that good stuff. And yeah, we got the motor all masked up as you guys can see here on the intake side. Same with the exhaust. Let's look at the camshaft position sensors. One's great, one's absolutely cooked. And yeah, lastly is painting. So hopefully everything looks good and the motor turns out well. And you can see the A2 now too. Oh, that's fire, bro. Ah, let's go. Guys, the engine is finally painted. It looks really good in my opinion. It don't look too good, not gonna lie. We might have to do something about that, but at the same time, nobody really sees that. So for the time being, I did put the A3 cover on it. I think it just makes the engine look a little more complete. There's a lot of overspray on the A2 cover, which we'll take a look at in a second. But I think it turned out really well, honestly. Taped off everything that we needed to tape off, so that was honestly our homework that we had to do. And outside of that, just paint the block and make it look good. And I think we did a pretty bang up job on it. Motor actually looks like a brand new motor. Like I think Honda actually just sent this to me. Like I could be pranking you guys. Like I could have just God damn it. I could have just like unboxed this crate motor from Honda and put it on engine stand and told you guys that, like, you know, this is the A2. But no, I mean, I painted it, obviously. It looks good though. It looks very good. I'm very impressed with how it turned out. K20A2 ain't messing around anymore. Best part about it is it's gonna handle all the power I need it to handle. As you guys can see, I got a little bit of overspray on it. But that was the point, because we're painting this yellow, because I think my accent color for my car is gonna be yellow. Yellow roll cage, yellow brakes, yellow valve cover. You guys already know, classic K-Series build, spoon color, you know. But yeah. Alrighty guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Before I end it, I just wanna let you guys know that this thing, huge update. Christian just bought something for this car. On top of that, we are gonna be getting this A2 motor into this car, getting this thing up and running, hopefully getting it tuned. If you guys are interested in either of these two builds or any of the other cool shenanigans and races that we do, just go down and hit the like and subscribe button. You guys already know what to do. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.